Mysore Palace, where history glows in gold, a royal dreams in stone and light, heritage whispers in every corner. When the lights turns on, magic begins. Walking through halls of living very interesting. Watch the video till
a
it
symphony
ends.
of elegance and majesty.
What you're seeing here is Tipu Sultan's market coins. For this vintage and antique princely state coins, typically it's range from 1500 to over 6000 depending on metal type, ruler and preservation condition. It's a warrior dynasty coins. Here is the exhibition status, the physically prices
everywhere
inside the
Mysore
Palace. Here we step into the royal grandeur of the Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace, a visit of Mysore Palace feels like stepping into a royal history. The architecture here is breathtaking with intricate. When we entering in the palace, generally public entry is typically through the Varaha or Jayarama gates. Adult tickets cost was 50 for Indian citizen, and we must have to remove footwear and deposit cameras at the designated counters before stepping inside the main building. While we are entering into a Darbar hall, a magnificent hall with the ornate gilded pillars, bright mosaic floors, and a stunning open balcony view. Here is the portraits of Queen Alexandra and her husband King Edward VII in the portrait gallery at Mysore Palace. Artist Harold, noted British painter who created these larger portraits displayed in the palace's Kalyana Mandapa Portrait Gallery. It's Amba Villas Hall, having a stunning private hall featuring luxurious stained glass ceilings, peacock motif designs. Visiting to Darbar Hall, it's a grand royal court space with majestic sculpted pillars, golden columns, and an expensive ornate ceiling. Coming to the Golden Throne, a historic jewel embedded golden seat used by the warrior dynasty, displayed publicly during the Dasra festival. These are used by the warrior dynasty. Coming to its carved doors and art. Its intricately carved rosewood doors and priceless traditional paintings. What you're seeing here is wooden ceiling highlights. It's a rosewood antique mastery. Local craftsmen used fine-grained rosewood antique to carve elaborate panels. Also, its mythological motifs and floral patterns that line the transitions between the walls and the high ceilings. Here is the Kalyana Mandapa ceiling. This is the octagonal wedding halls featuring a permanent ceiling made of delicate stained glass showing peacock and floral motifs. Here you can experience the beauty of the Mysore Palace silver doors too. Outside of palace also you can find beautiful garden, neat lawns, paved walkways and historic shrines. Here is offering an open view of the main granite structure. Well, what my family will love here is evening illumination. The outer yards serve as the main viewing area for the weekly light and sound show, as well as the famous Sunday and festival illuminations using nearly 100,000 bulbs. Here you can see the beautiful night view, evening lights and bulbs. So best time to visit, full details, everything will be available in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it and never forget to hit the bell icon ID to get the new instant notifications whenever I post the new videos.